Ejector pins are a critical component to the injection molding process. An ejector pin is driven into the rear of a mold cavity to force the finished piece out and is also often referred to as a knockout pin. Adding in ejectors in iMold is as easy as selecting the ejector size and locating the pins. The length of the pin is automatically calculated and you can trim the pin to the core profile automatically. Go to the iMold command manager, click on the ejector designer, and select Add Ejector. When prompted to set the working directory, pick the impression assembly and click the OK button to open the assembly and close the dialog window. Under Selection, select the vendor. DME, unit as metric, ejector pin type A, no key, D1 as 4.0. And under the Define Location, click Create Point button to bring up the Smart Point dialog window. Select the face shown on the graphical area. On the Smart Point dialog, under Face Control, select the Center option. And under ABS Coordinates, change the value of X to 12 and Y to -25. Leave the Z value as it is. Click the Create button to create the point. Next, pick the newly created point, and under Ref Coordinates, change the value X to -24, Y to 0 and Z to 0. And click on the Create button to create the point. Next, select the face shown. Under Face Control, select the Center option. Under ABS Coordinates, change the value of Y as 8. And click Create to create the point. Select the point just created. Under Ref Coordinates, change the value of Y to -25. Click Create to create the point. Repeat the points on the opposite. You should have 6 smart points in total. Click Cancel to close the Smart Point window. In the Add Ejector Property Manager, check the option, Select Sketch. From the Graphics area, select any point from the 6 just created. All the points in the sketch are selected and a preview of the ejector is displayed. Click OK to add the ejector pins. When adding ejector, pins are automatically made with a longer stock than required. They are calculated to the nearest standard size, and the sizes correspond to the bill of materials. To make them to the correct size, we use Trim Ejector function. On the iMold command manager, click Ejector Designer and select Trim Ejector. On the Select option, choose All Pins, the trim method select by body face. Click the OK button to automatically trim the ejector pins based on the body face. From the View Manager, hide the product and cavity insert to have a closer look at the ejector pin trimmed. If you noticed, 4 of the 6 ejectors pins are on a featured surface. They have to be keyed to prevent them from rotating. We can add these keys by modifying the ejector pins. Go to Ejector Designer and select Modify Ejector. Select the 4 pins on the featured faces. Select Rect Key Type as shown. Click OK to modify the ejectors. Now that these ejectors have a rectangular key slot which will prevent them from rotating during the molding process. Save the project.